tape machine ng TITBQ branch. Working po ito ng 7 days. Print head area, cupping area, clean na machine. Yan po ang kanyang nozzle check. Waste tank, last disposal po is last week. Ground wire, EBR, ink tank, nasa tamang level. Ink system, delete checklist. Ito naman po ang kanang updated po siya. Consumable, powder, white, film. Dito naman po nakalagay ang ating ink supplies. Yan lang po, maraming salamat.